In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Stripe to Flodesk. This process is essential if you want to streamline your transactions and ensure that your email marketing is seamlessly integrated with your payment processing. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to log into your Flodesk account. If you haven't signed up yet, make sure you do so by visiting the Flodesk website. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the Flodesk dashboard, which is your command center for all email marketing activities. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on this icon. It usually shows your initials or a small profile picture if you've uploaded one. This will open a drop-down menu containing several options related to your account settings. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to select Integrations. This is where Flodesk allows you to connect with various apps and services, making it a powerful tool for marketers who use multiple platforms. The Integrations page gives you access to a variety of services that can be linked with your Flodesk account. Once you're on the Integrations page, there's a handy search bar that you'll find at the top of the list of available integrations. In this search bar, type in Stripe. Stripe is a popular payment processing platform, especially favored by businesses for its ease of use and robust features. After you type in Stripe, you'll see it pop up in the search results. It should be easy to spot since Stripe is one of the most commonly used payment gateways. Click on the Stripe option to proceed. Now, you should see a button labeled Connect. This is the crucial step where you link your Stripe account to Flodesk. Click on Connect and you'll be directed to a new page where you might be asked to log into your Stripe account if you aren't already logged in. Here, you'll need to authorize Flodesk to access your Stripe account. This is a standard process to ensure that both platforms can communicate securely. Once you've completed the authorization, your Stripe account will be successfully linked to Flodesk. This connection will allow you to handle transactions more efficiently within your email campaigns, enhancing your overall marketing strategy. And that's it! You're now set up to process payments with Stripe through your Flodesk campaigns. This integration not only saves you time, but also enhances the customer experience by making the payment process smoother and more reliable. If you have any questions or run into issues, Flodesk's support team is always available to help. Thanks for watching and happy marketing!